Samsung's redesigned Galaxy Fold is by far the most exciting product on the market for me right now. Now, this is actually the result of 8 years of research from Samsung and is the world's first Infinity Flex display. And I mean, look at it, it really is amazing. Now, this is shipping from Clove Technology already for £2,200 excluding VAT, which is certainly on the pricier side. But is it worth it? Well, I took it out and about to see exactly what this device can do. So the Galaxy Fold brings all of the benefits of a tablet and the best bits of having a compact and portable handset, making media playback an exceptionally immersive experience. When folded together, the device works as a more traditional smartphone, with a front screen that's responsive and well put together. The cover is actually a 4.6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with the traditional 21:9 aspect ratio, and, as we've come to expect of Samsung devices, is bright and clear. Open it up and, well, the Fold has a 7.3-inch dynamic AMOLED main display, with a 1536 by 2152 pixel resolution at 362 pixels per inch. HDR10 is also supported, so colours and contrast ratios really are fantastic. Engaging with media is definitely my favourite aspect of the Galaxy Fold. A multi-active window allows you to run 3 apps at once on the main screen, in whichever size formats take your fancy. App continuity is also brilliant, and it makes that transition from the cover screen to the main screen almost seamless. This API has also been made available to developers, so all of your major apps should also support this transition just as seamlessly. The movement from open to close is actually a lot smoother than I'd anticipated. The hinge in the centre consists of multiple interlocking gears that are hidden inside an enclosure, maintaining the sleek silhouette that is in keeping with the overall look. Now, Samsung says that this is designed to withstand more than 200,000 folds, which roughly translates to about 100 a day for 5 years. Now, this foldable display really isn't just a gimmick, because this is a flagship device absolutely through and through. Indeed, 6 cameras adorn the Galaxy Fold in total. The main camera setup is to the rear of the device and consists of 3 lenses working in tandem. The top lens is a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with an f2.2 aperture and a 123-degree field of view. Next comes a 12-megapixel sensor, with Samsung's famed f1.5 to f2.4 dual aperture tech, and lastly a telephoto camera with an f2.4 aperture and OIS. Final images are just as fabulous as you'd expect of a Samsung smartphone, and Scene Optimizer is superb in automatically adjusting your camera settings for that perfect picture. The selfie camera is accessible when opening the device up, and utilises a 10-megapixel shooter coupled with an 8-megapixel depth sensing camera that provides the information for background blur within live focus mode. Indeed, the dual front camera utilises AI smarts to detect faces, allowing you to experiment with blur and depth of field for what I think are some actually pretty decent selfies. If that wasn't enough, then there's also a 10-megapixel exterior camera on the cover display, which allows for more instant pictures. A Qualcomm SDM855 octa-core processor, coupled with 12GB of RAM, ensures that this is a premium device in all senses, and Samsung's One UI is as smooth and sophisticated as ever. Whether the 4,380 mAh battery gets you through the day depends entirely on how you plan on using this device. This comes packaged as 2 separate battery packs, one in each half, and supports fast charging and wireless charging, as well as Samsung's wireless power share. Alongside this, you're looking at 512 gigs of internal storage, as well as micro SD support up to 512 gig as well. The USB-C cable is located on the bottom of the frame, and alas, there is no headphone jack. So it came with a lot of hype, but I certainly think that the Samsung Galaxy Fold lives up to it. I genuinely haven't enjoyed media playback as much as this on any other device that I've ever used. It's just incomparable. If you've got the money, then you've just got to do it. The Samsung Galaxy Fold is available from Clove Technology for £2,200 excluding VAT, in both Cosmos Black and Space Silver, so go and check that one out. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel for all of the latest news and reviews, and I'll catch you again soon.